How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the third and final installment in this Blake Check series where we went over what was wrong with my car. We went over what happened in the interim where I was lent that Model X as a loaner. And finally, in part 3 today, it's going to be just a quick update episode. My car is fine. They went ahead and one more time, they swapped out that 12-volt battery, which was what was throwing off the code. They also went ahead and swapped out my entire modem, which was controlling the connectivity that I was talking about. So all of that's been resolved. And really, I want to give a huge shout out to the Tempe Service Center. They get a bad rap, and I am probably partially to blame. I think, been continuing this narrative that the Scottsdale Raintree Service Center is better for some reason, but that's not necessarily the case. They took my car on Friday at the end of the day, and they have it completely done on Tuesday the following week. So that's just a few days turnaround. During that time, they hooked me up with Uber vouchers, which got me around town. They even gave me, again, that Model X as a loaner. So yeah, if you are in the area, you have any Tesla concerns, and especially if you're still under warranty, don't hesitate about bringing your car to the Tempe Service Center in Tempe, Arizona. All right, I wanted to hop inside and show you everything that was done. So the main issue, I'll repeat, was the mobile data or the 4G LTE connection. My car was still connecting to Wi-Fi, so I'm not really sure why just the 4G LTE service was out, but that was all fixed. So they just completely replaced the modem that controls that. So I don't need to worry about that. And on the plus side, it's better that this happened while my car was still under warranty. So I'm just trying to see the silver lining on this and just put it all behind me. One of the inconvenient parts of this is that when I was having issues at the end of last week, at some point my car decided to do a complete factory reset on itself, which meant that I lost all of my driver profiles and my saved information and everything. So that includes like your seating, steering wheel, and side mirror positions, all of your stuff like your logins for your streaming services, all of that stuff. So yeah, I'm basically nitpicking at this point. That stuff will just take me like 30 minutes or so to reset. But yeah, just want to express that this was not a major issue. I was definitely being dramatic last week. Thanks for staying tuned and watching those videos, but I definitely made it out to be a bigger issue than it really was. My car at this point is perfect, more perfect really than the first day I got it, because if these issues were looming in the distance on day one, then it's better than it was then. Oh, one other thing I do want to point out that's a minor inconvenience is that my saved data in my games was also erased. Me and my wife, we both like to play Cat Quest. I don't know if you guys have played this game. It's a lot of fun. All you need is like an Xbox controller or something that will plug into the USB ports down there, and then you can play games right here in your car. And so we've been playing for a while and got pretty far. I don't know if you guys play this game, but I was at like level 23, so I vlogged an embarrassing amount of time playing this game, and all of that's lost. So you know what, I'm just gonna have to suck it up and play some more video games. Gotta do it, gotta get myself back up to level 23. But yeah, that'll be a lot of fun actually. But yeah, I'm just searching for things to complain about at this point. Really, everything's fixed, and I couldn't be happier with the result. So all that said, thank you for following along throughout this process. That's really all I have for you guys today. I'm gonna hop in the car. It looks like it's about to rain, so I want to get it home. I want to drive it again. Obviously, I've been missing this car like crazy for the past few days. But yeah, this has been Blake Check, and that's a wrap.